In this video, I will share with you detailed, proprietary information on how to write a resume that sticks out to recruiters. To make your resume more advanced and attractive to recruiters, you should consider adding a summary of qualifications highlighting your achievements and skill sets. Recruiters are excited to see candidates highlighting their achievements on their resume. This shows us that you are exceptional and can hit the ground running if hired. For skilled professionals, another part of resume writing tips is to pay close attention to grammar, spelling, and wordiness, and be sure to add action words. Avoid using templates. Instead, write the resume from scratch and make it look unique, not ordinary. Do not list work history that doesn't relate to your current niche or career. Doing so could subconsciously tell the hiring manager that you are not serious about applying. Triple check your dates of employment. If there has been a gap in your career history, list a separate section explaining why there was a gap. For example, you were in a serious car accident and were in recovery between October 10, 2012 to December 4, 2013. Ensure you list 5 to 10 bullet points, listing your primary responsibilities under each employment experience. Make sure to add any keywords that relate to your profession. You don't want to miss out on any opportunities that recruiters might have just because you had the skill set but didn't list it in your resume. Keep your resume straightforward. Do not add graphics, pictures, or fancy illustrations. It makes your resume look cringy. Ensure that your spelling and grammar are correct. Proofread your resume, and have a friend or family member read through it. Sometimes, the second set of eyes can spot a mistake you subconsciously ignored. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification to see more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.